Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many of you have asked if Brawl Stars can run on a Fire tablet, and for a long time, the answer was a frustrating no, due to Amazon's restricted app ecosystem. But in 2025, there is finally one reliable way to get this popular game onto your Fire device. It involves a straightforward process to install the Google Play Store directly onto your tablet. Once that's done, Brawl Stars becomes easily accessible, just like on any standard Android phone. Your Fire tablet operates on a modified version of Android called Fire OS, which, by default, only connects to Amazon's App Store. Unfortunately, Brawl Stars is not available there, nor is it designed to run without Google Play services. This is a crucial distinction. Simply downloading the Brawl Stars APK file from the internet will lead to a non-functional app, as it constantly looks for Google's essential background services. To truly play, we must bridge this gap. Before downloading any files, you'll need to adjust a vital security setting on your Fire tablet. Head over to your tablet settings menu, then navigate to Security and Privacy. Inside this section, locate and toggle on the option labeled Apps from Unknown Sources. This step is absolutely critical, as it grants your tablet permission to install applications from outside the Amazon App Store, which is exactly what we need for the next phase of our process. Now, you'll download the 4 essential components of the Google Play Store. It's vital to install them in this exact sequence: Google Account Manager, followed by Google Services Framework, then Google Play Services, and finally the Google Play Store APK. You can find these files from reputable sources online. Just be sure they match your tablet's Android version. Installing them out of this specific order will lead to frustrating errors, and the Play Store simply won't work. Once all 4 Google Play APKs are successfully installed on your Fire tablet, you're almost there. Open the newly installed Google Play Store app, sign in using your existing Google account, or create a new one. After logging in, simply search for Brawl Stars within the Play Store, and you'll be able to download and install it just like on any other Android device. If you hit any snags, a simple restart of your Fire tablet often clears up any lingering issues, setting you right to play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.